if you have $1 in your account, maybe you have $1 in your USDT right here. Now take a look at this, my Trust Wallet right here. I literally have $1 right now. If you are among the categories of people that literally have only $1 in their account right here, I will literally show you how you can navigate cryptocurrency and then use the specific $1 that you have in your wallet to earn at least 1,000 USDT within some few days or for some few weeks, probably a month. Yeah, so me myself, I also have 1 USDT available right here on my Trust Wallet right now. Let me refresh it so that you guys can actually see that yes, it's 1 USDT, it's 1 USDT, and everything right here is literally real right now. I will show you how you can literally use this particular 1 USDT right here to navigate in crypto, and then use the 1 USDT to earn at least more than 1,000 USDT within some few amount of time, probably within some few weeks or to 1 month right now. Okay, so I'll be doing this for a while now. So all what I'll actually be doing right now is actually crypto arbitrage. Okay, so that's how I'll actually accumulate enough cryptocurrency right here on my crypto exchange right here on Trust Wallet. Let me show you my other wallets right here so that you guys can actually see how progress I have right now. You can actually go ahead and take a look at this, my main wallet one right here. Okay, so take a look at this right here. I'll be accumulating this particular money right now, and this particular money on this my Trust Wallet right here is from those particular method I'm going to show or share with you right here in this particular video. Yes, the particular method is simple and everybody can actually do it with just 1 USDT. Okay, so now I will navigate everything for you to literally understand. Take note of this, that this particular fund that you are seeing right now on my main wallet one is also working for me. I stake them on Ethereum blockchain, so they are on proof of stake right here. Take a look at it. Let me just go straight to the particular point, what I literally want to share with you right here in this particular tutorial, so that you guys can actually know how to navigate using only $1 to literally make enough money on crypto ecosystem. Now, before we just dive straight into this particular tutorial, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Yes, it's very important, and make sure you like it to the video so that YouTube will literally drag it up for more people to literally know this particular video. Yes, and lastly, make sure you know that all this particular tutorial, they are just for educational purpose, not for financial advice. I'm not responsible for your losses or your gain right here, so beware of that cryptocurrency is volatile, it's always up and down, it's always lose and gain. With that, just make sure you hit that subscribe button, because that is very important, help the channel grow. Now let's just head over straight to this particular cryptocurrency exchange right here called Gate.io. So we'll be using this particular Gate.io right now. All we just have to do is just for you to go ahead and sign up an account right here on Gate.io. If you don't have an account, make sure you sign up an account and verify your account right here on Gate.io. Make sure your account is showing verified just like this. Now just go straight to this particular place where you say trade right here. Go ahead and search for this specific cryptocurrency that say front. So search for it right here on this particular place right now. You get to see it right here. So just go straight to this particular place right now. Go ahead and fund your Gate.io account. Fund it with any amount of USDT, or probably I told you earlier it is 1 USDT. Just fund it with 1 USDT right here. You are good to go. So with this particular 1 USDT, you will literally have the full opportunity to literally have some amount of this specific token. So what you just have to do next is just to go straight to this particular accept right here. Okay, so when you click on that accept, just go ahead and click on withdraw. Now go ahead and click on trade withdraw right here. So before you can literally process right now listing again, let me make you understand that yes, this particular tutorial, I'm just simulating this particular method for you guys. So you usually found this video earlier, go ahead and simulate your own before you go with real money. Okay, so this is just for tutorial purpose right now. Search for the particular cryptocurrency right here. Now take a look at it. Okay, so at this particular junction, wait, go straight to the other cryptocurrency exchange right here, which is Binance right now. Okay, so I believe everybody have Binance account right here. As you can see right now on my Binance account, take a look at my history right here. I have been literally trading a lot of cryptocurrency right here. Take a look at all my transactions, trading them, swapping from one crypto to another right here, making enough money from this particular crypto method. So what you just have to do right here, click on accept, click on this particular place where it says add funds. So go ahead and click on chain deposit right here. Search for the particular cryptocurrency, make sure the name is exactly the same thing, and make sure it is on this particular Ethereum blockchain right here. So go ahead and copy the particular wallet address right now, and then just head over straight to Gate.io. Go ahead and paste it right here, and make sure you also select the same Ethereum blockchain right here. Okay, so now you literally go ahead and select maximum. You literally go ahead and put in the particular amount that you actually want to withdraw from this particular Gate.io straight to your Binance account using on-chain. After then, just go ahead and hit on withdraw right here. Then you get your money available right here on your Binance account right now. So what you just have to do, just for you to go straight to this particular place where you say trade right here, search for the particular cryptocurrency right here, make sure the cryptocurrency is exactly the same thing. Take a look at the particular cryptocurrency right here. Then you just have to go ahead and select sell. Make sure you go ahead and select all the particular crypto that you purchase on Gate.io just at the beginning. So if you literally follow all the particular method, we are using $1 for this. So take a look at the $1 right here. $1 will give us this particular amount of front token, and then then we sell it out, we'll be getting 81 USDT. That means $80 profit with all this. So with just your $1, you have the full opportunity to literally earn 80 USDT as profit. So let's say you literally go ahead and do this second time, go ahead and sell out this particular USDT straight to your base.io, and then purchase the particular cryptocurrency with $80 as this time. Now you'll be getting this particular amount of front token. Yes, okay, the first particular trade, we trade it with 1 USDT and you get 47, and then we head over to this particular crypto exchanger, which is Binance. We just literally go ahead and sell out the particular crypto and it gives us this particular USDT. So the second one will be using 80 USDT. Okay, so which is this right here. Okay, let's say 80 USDT. 80 USDT will be giving us this. So after we have actually withdraw the particular cryptocurrency from Gates.io to Binance right here, we sell out the particular crypto on Binance. Really good. Take a look at it. It will be giving us 6,000 USDT. Take a look at it right here. So this is insane. With just $1, you literally have the full opportunity to do this countless time. So now that you have know all this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. It's very important right now. Okay, so I'll end this video right here. Bye bye for now. If you are wondering how I'm getting this particular cryptocurrency that have price differences in different cryptocurrency exchanger, head over to this particular arbitrage scanner right here. So just go ahead and sign up an account and make sure you literally click on this particular place right here. Then just go ahead and go for any plan of your choice right here. Okay, so just go for any plan of your choice right now. Go for it, and then you have the full opportunity to literally go ahead and spot cryptocurrency just by clicking on arbitrage products right here. Okay, so take a look at it, then click on arbitrage screener. Okay, so you see right now all the cryptocurrency arbitrage will display right here. All those one right now, they are stable coin. So if you want to change this, click on template, then go ahead and click on top 30 or top 300 coins right here. You will see right now all the particular cryptocurrency in all the particular crypto exchanger will be available. So if you want everything to be reloading or to be searching for any opportunity in every 30 seconds, you can leave it here. So every 15 seconds, you can also leave it there. So now every 10 seconds also, you can also leave it at the 10 seconds. So this way you can actually change the time duration right here. Take a look at it right now. A lot of cryptocurrency are available right here using that particular arbitrage scanner right now. So if you literally go ahead and buy any plan right there, you have the full opportunity to literally discover any cryptocurrency that have price in differences in two cryptocurrency exchanger. Okay, so I'll see you in my next video right here. Bye bye for now.